So today we're going to be replacing a license plate light bulb on a 2013 Equinox. As you can see, this one's burned out. I got the other one on, and that one's burned out. Or we're going to find out what's going on with it. Here's what I'm going to be using right here. It's going to be a Mako Tools trim tool. So what I'm going to do here, hopefully that doesn't break, but I'm going to go behind here and then just push down on it, just like that, and it should come down. There you go. Then from here, just twist it off. Here we have the bulb, and as you can see, it's burned out. So I'm just gonna grab the new one. Here's my new one, and then just put it in, and there you go. And basically, all you're gonna do is just twist it back in. It'll be towards you. Just twist it in there, and it should stay. And then now to put it back in, I just go this side in first. It clipped in, and now that one, and it should hold in place just like so. And there you go. Quick and easy video. Thanks for watching.